In this video, I'll show you how to hide pages from the navigation menu in Google Sites. So, let's get started. For this example, I'm going to hide this shop page, so you can see how page hiding works inside Google Sites. Now, this is how the website looks in editor mode in Google Sites. Here, go to the Pages section on the right side of the screen. Just click on the Pages tab. Here, you'll see all the pages that are currently added to your Google site. Now, to hide a page from the navigation menu, first select the page you want to hide. Then, click the three-dot menu beside that page. A small drop-down menu will appear. From this list, click on Hide from Navigation. And that's it. The page is now hidden from the navigation menu. After making the changes, don't forget to click the Publish button so the changes are saved and updated on the live website. Now let's open the live site in the browser and check the result. As you can see, the page is no longer visible in the navigation menu. The page has been hidden from the website navigation. With that, we've reached the end of this video. If this helped you, please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to like, share, and leave a comment below.